Hello friends, this is Chef Ratan. Welcome to my channel Culinary Tourism. So today we are going to learn how to make sprouts and the right way of eating sprouts and how to prepare it, what are the benefits, so on. So without any further delay, let's get started. So you need to take 20 grams of black chickpeas and 20 gram of green moong bean. So here you need to wash it properly, then you need to soak it for 8 to 10 hours. After that you need to strain it. I suggest don't throw the water because it is very useful for your body. You can drink it directly or you can use it to prepare soup or curries. So now you need to place it on a cotton cloth and make sure the cloth is not too much dry. Better you can spray some water or normally you can rinse it and squeeze it. Then you place the mung beans on it. After that you need to fold it like this and you need to place it in a bowl, and you can cover it as well. Make sure it is well ventilated and maintain a darkness for better germination. This is what I am showing you after 12 hours of germination, but I suggest you to leave it for 24 hours for the germination process. Now, sprouts are content of protein, fiber, antioxidants and enzymes, vitamins, minerals and many more to keep you healthy. The best time is to consume sprouts is empty stomach. You can have it on your breakfast, before the meal as a salad and the 5 p.m. snack. That is the best time to consume sprouts. And the good quantity is to digest the sprouts is 4 tablespoons. You can see in the image 4 tablespoons is more than enough for an adult person. Now let's start to make a chaat out of these sprouts. So you can see I have added some cucumber chop, then I am going to add some onion chop and some tomato chop. So this is the tomatoes and some green chili chop. I have added here some. You need to take half of lemon and some onion chop. This is the black salt and some chaat masala. So this is the chaat masala, and we have to add some black pepper powder as well. Then we need to mix it properly. So I have added here some white peas as well. After mixing it, now it's ready to consume as a appetizer, as a salad, whatever, depends on your choice. So sprouts are considered as a superfood. You can call it superfood because it is the best food to help lose weight because of its content of high amount of fiber that makes you feel full for a longer period of time. Sprouts have a high vitamin C content that makes it a powerful stimulant for the white blood cells in the body to fight off infections and build a good immune system to fight against the virus as well. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this video useful. Please give a like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.